Hello everyone, this is Veena here. Welcome back to my channel Panache. If you're new here, this is the channel where I create a lot of stuff on makeup, fashion, beauty, a lot of fun challenges with my husband, with my kids. So a lot of entertainment also happening over here. So if you are new here and if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do consider subscribing to my channel. Please do like, share, comment on this video if you really like it. And if you want me to create any other videos, any other content, please do let me know. I'm more than happy to do that. So today's video is going to be a video on Meesho haul. I have created a Urbanic haul earlier. Today is a Meesho haul, and I'll also be doing Zara and Myntra haul in the future. I had actually put up a poll on Instagram asking if you want me to, do these hauls, and I got a very good response, and that's why I'm doing this haul today. And basically, Meesho is the first time I'm doing this particular haul because I was really wondering why the prices on Meesho are so cheap compared to the prices on Amazon and other apps. So I really wanted to understand if the quality of the products are also good, and really worth it. So that's the reason why I got a few products, not too many. I just got about 6 products over here, and I'm going to review them and give you my honest review on them. So if you really like this video, please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up. And before we begin, I would like to thank each and every one of you for the immense support that I've received on my channel. Please continue to support me so that I'm motivated to do better. Thank you so much. Now, without any further ado, let's begin with this video. First up, I would like to talk about this particular choker set that I am wearing. This is the one that I got from Meesho, obviously. I got this for 171 rupees. Now, I was really shocked to see the quality of this particular product. You can see. It is beautiful. It is made so well. It is so nice. So nothing has come out of it. I thought probably there would be some damage or something to it, but it came perfect. The quality is top notch. Really nice. The earrings are really beautiful, not too heavy, look really nice. And this choker designing is really on trend right now. A lot of people wearing these chokers. You can wear them with traditional wear. You can also wear them with western wear. You can create a nice boho look with it. Looks really nice. I have put up a styling video also, you can check that out. And oxidized jewelry is actually on trend right now. It looks really beautiful, and for 171 I think this is a grab. So frankly speaking, I was really surprised and I'm really happy with this purchase. I think it is really worth it. Next up, I got this kurti. Now this is a made in Desi women's printed rayon straight kurti. It's a beautiful kurti. It's got this slight rubberized sort of print, but it looks like a print that will not get worn off after washing because it's pretty light. It's not that heavy rubber, So I think it is really nice. It's a strappy top. Okay, the only thing is with this the straps are not, you have to tie them up. They're not like fixed straps, so you need to tie them up, which is still okay. I don't mind it at all. And I got this for 396. I'll put up a full picture so you see how it looks. The fit is perfect. I got it in the size medium. The fit is perfect. The quality is really nice. I'm frankly speaking, I did not expect this from Meesho because I had a different impression altogether about this particular site, but I was really shocked and surprised, and I think it was a pleasant surprise. I really liked this particular kurti, this choker. So far both were too good. So I'll put up a picture, you can see how it looks. I'll also put the product codes. Now they do not have product links, they have product codes. I will put them below in the description box below so you can check them out if you're really interested. Next up, I got this blouse. I have no words to explain how much I really love this blouse. I have seen this same pattern going on everywhere. It's going on Amazon, on Instagram, different pages selling it at different prices, in fact exorbitant prices. Now I got this blouse for only 270. I got this because I was really curious to understand if this blouse is really worth it. So I thought if it is going to be for 270, the quality was going to be pathetic and I'll have to return it back. But to my surprise, this blouse was awesome. The quality is so good, and they have this mirror work that's happening over here, which is actual mirror. They are not those plastic mirror. Okay, so it is done very nicely, very neatly. This is how the back is. It's got a deep back, They have cups over here attached to the blouse, so you need not worry about that also. It has a very nice lining inside. It is really such a beautiful blouse. I'm so happy with this blouse. I want to pick up 2 colors more, maybe a white or a gold, because that's going to be really versatile, and maybe a black. I really love this blouse. I'll put up a picture so you see how it looks. I got this in the size 36. It's slightly loose for me. I plan to take it in, you know, a little bit from the sides over here and make it work for me, but otherwise it is awesome, top notch. Highly recommend this blouse. So if you're really interested, check this out. Next up, I got this geometric print dress. Okay, it's a half sleeve dress. Okay, I really like the print on this particular dress, and that's why I got it. It is in a very nylon sort of a fabric. The fabric is not that great. If you're a person who's not fond of nylon fabric, you can give this a miss. The quality is not bad at all. The only issue that I have with this particular dress is it's a little too short for me. I tried asking my daughter to wear it also, but even she found it a little too short, so I will definitely have to return this dress. The fabric is okay, it's not bad. Quality is not bad at all. The print is really nice and different. If you wear this with a pair of sneakers, it's going to look really nice and cool. So this is really nice. Other than it being short, if you're a little shorter than me, probably it's going to fit you well, but if not, this is going to be a little too short. It's too short for my liking, so I will have to return this only for that particular reason. Otherwise, it's really nice. Next up, I got this shirt. Now I got different things from different categories. So I also bought something for my husband. I got a shirt. Okay, this is how it looks. Okay, this is the print on it. I thought the print would look really nice, but when I got it, I found it a little too gaudy for my liking. I don't know how it's going to look, you know. It might look different on different people, but this is something that I did not really like so much. Even the fabric is not that great. It says cotton, but it is not cotton. I think it's a mix of cotton and polyester, so the fabric is not that great. I got this shirt for 389. I'll put up a picture of my husband wearing this, but I don't know whether he's going to wear this, because he usually doesn't wear things like this. So probably I will have to return this, only because the fabric is not that great. The color is not to my liking. So probably I'll order something else from Meesho in the men's section and then review it maybe on Insta. So please do not forget to follow me there. So this is how the shirt is. I do not like it that much, so you could probably give this a miss. Next up, I got this kitchen appliance. This is the electronic kitchen scale. This is what it is. I got something from the kitchen category also to review. So my daughter does a lot of baking, so I thought this would be something that would be really useful for her. So I got it, and I also tried and tested it by putting a 500 grams maida packet on it and see whether it matches the scale, and it did perfectly well. It has these batteries which are required to be put in over here to use it. Really nice, very nice quality, too good. And I've compared the prices of this particular product on Amazon, and I found a vast difference. So I think this is something, if you're looking for some kitchen appliance, probably in this category you could look at this. It's really nice. It is really worth it. I got this for 374, and this is definitely a yay. So that's it for this video. I really hope you like this video. This was a short haul because I just wanted to review and understand whether the products are really good on Meesho, because there was so much of hype going on about this particular, online app. This app. So I thought probably let me try and test and see how the things are. Of all the things that I got, I only did not like the shirt. The dress was a little too short. That's it. Otherwise, everything was really nice. So if you really like this video, please do give this video a thumbs up. And if you want me to review any other apps, any other sites, any other products, any other makeup brands, any other clothing site whatsoever, please do let me know in the comment section, and I'm listening, and I will definitely do that for you. So let's end this video now. Stay safe, stay strong, and stay happy. See you all very soon in my next video. Bye-bye.
TakeTones.com